This trader turned $3,000 into over $100 million, and you've probably never heard of him. These are the types of people that you want to try and emulate and replicate your process after in the market here, not these nonsense scammer lifestyle marketers on TikTok. But let's break down his strategy here, because this is exactly how I trade too. So obviously, first things first, Kristjan Kullamagi here is a swing trader and position trader, not a day trader. And the core of his strategy is trading breakouts off of high and tight flags. Now, when you guys see this strategy, when I outline it for you guys here, you're going to have the same reaction that everybody has. It's that simple. Why doesn't everybody do this? And I ask myself that question every single day. But this weekly chart right here on gold that I had been outlining to my group, LTMP, Less Trades, More Profits, is a perfect example of this. Now, again, these types of setups, guys, provide so much asymmetric upside there that, again, some of my students here were able to make $250,000 on just this trade alone. And again, $100,000 in a day. So pay attention to this stuff. It's really critical. So this is the weekly chart on gold right here. And you can see that we have a very significant move to the upside. So the high part of the high and tight flag, and tight, we see a very nice period of consolidation that is coming to a pinch right before the breakout happens. Now, when we break to the upside of that range, just tapping the top side and breaking through, that is where your entry point is that you guys can see right here. And your stop goes down below that day's low or that week's low. If you're trading the weekly setup on this gold example here, we had a daily setup within the weekly setup, so you could have even tighter risk. Now, just this one trade, guys, yielded a 1 to 21 risk to reward if your take profit point was a daily close down below that daily 10 exponential moving average. Again, that little bit of shift of trend there. So that means if you risked 1% of your account, you would have been up 21% on your account in just one trade with only risking 1%. That is the type of asymmetric upside that you need to be looking for in the market. And that's not even talking about options. That's why when I say on the YouTube live streams every single day that I do for you guys on my YouTube channel, Short the VIX, that every single trade setup that I outline for the group has the potential on the option side to run multi-hundreds, if not multi-thousands of percent. That's why everybody is able to have so much more success trading this way than a lot of these other different nonsense strategies, with the margin for error being so small. Think about it. If you nail one of these trades throughout the entire year, you would need to lose 20 trades in a row in order to just go back to break even, which is highly unlikely. Again, like I said before in this video, guys, you need to be emulating your process in the market from the titans and the giants that have come before us and have actually had verifiable success